today's video we will be learning how to install your SMM panel script. So let's get started. So first of all, once you bought the script from scriptbooster.on, you will download it and then you have to buy hosting or domain. You can use the Laravel hosting platform for it, or you can use any another platform, whatever you prefer. So let's get start with the control panel. Once you are in the control panel, you will go to the file manager, and here we can use it as like our file explorer in the Windows, or like we normally use. So we will double click on the folder of the public HTML and we will go inside that folder. So for my case I have different folder. So let's go back to the home page of the control panel. So first of all, you will choose the PHP variant from here. So PHP variant, we will open this in a new tab here. For my case, you can select the 8.2 variant because the build was done on the 8.2 variant. I will recommend you to use 8.2 variant, or you can use also 8.3, I think so, that will work fine. So after this one, we will install the SSL. So the SSL option you will find mostly on the other cPanels, like right here, but in this case we will find under the security. So let's scroll down, and here you can see the SSL. You will click this and then you will open and click to the free activate free SSL. So once you done this, then you will go to the file manager and you will drag and drop that script file here. So then you will click the upload button and it will start uploading. We will wait for a bit, and once it's uploaded, we will right click on it, and then we will left click to archive, unarchive this file. So this will start extracting the file. So let's wait for some time. So once this is done, then once it's extracted, then we will delete this zip file, so don't nobody can download it. So then we will download this database.sql file. Right click on it and click to left click on the download, so it will download. Now we have to create a database. We will go back. You can have the options like MySQL wizard or MySQL databases. So in our case we will just type the name and everything will be done. In other hostings you have to create a user, and then you have to connect them the privileges. So in this case we don't have to do any kind of that things. Okay, so now I can sign in to this one, and I will enter into the database, and then first of all we will click on the left side, then on the import, and then we can choose, or we can just drag and drop on the page. It will start uploading. So now we will click to the import. It will import the file. So now we are done with this one. Now we will go back, and we will go to the app folder from here. You can see this one here. We will double click on it, and then we will open the config file. We have to done configuration of the script here. First of all, we will enable the HTTPS for the SSL to perfectly work and styles to perfectly load. Then we will fill the details from the database page what we have created earlier. Here like we can fill these details here, and name of the host first of all, or server. Many calls server, many calls database host or host name. So there are different names, but it's the server URL. Okay, so then mostly hosting has that local host, but we have this one. So now we will copy paste this database and username, and then after it I will paste the password and save that file. So now our script has been installed. Now we can visit the website. So it's like working professionally, and now you can see this whole website. So all the things are working here. You can see the language translate, etc, everything is functional. So let's go to the admin panel. So this is the admin panel here. So here you can like from here you can like go to the settings or appearances, you can activate or deactivate anything you want. So once you will see these options one by one, here you can set up the logos or website names etc, and here you can add the provider for the API. So here are the gateways, like you can set up everything. There is the pay fast for the Pakistan, and also above the Stripe and other gateways. So you can use any kind of from here, so whatever you want. So there are the manual gateways which allows you your user to upload a screenshot and enter his account or transaction ID. So you will enter your account details, like your account number here, so users can pay. So then you will see those here. So these are the like stats. From here you can see like each and every detail, like deposits, pending, so failed order etc. So here are the services. From here you can like add a new service, or you can click to import and import new services from here. So like you will explore each feature one by one, and you will easily understand what's the purpose. So if you need any help, you can comment below, or you can contact the Script Booster team, so they will help you out with the like any issues you may have. So thanks for watching.